Hello and welcome to Community Roundup.
America witnessed a unique spiritual and cultural milestone as New Jersey hosted its first ever Bhajan clubbing night, blending devotion with modern musical energy. More than 400 Bhajan lovers gathered at the Royal Albert's Palace in Fords, New Jersey, for an unforgettable evening of soulful music, chants, and celebration. The event was organized by Jyotsna Sharma and Tarun Sharma, co-founders of Cultivate Talents Unlimited LLC, an NJ-based women minority-owned enterprise in association with the World Peace and Health Foundation. TV Asia Chairman and CEO Dr. H.R. Shah, Albert Jasani, owner of Royal Albert's Palace, Parsippany Councilwoman Dia Patel, Woodbridge Township Councilman Viru Patel, Edison Councilman Parul Patel, CEO of 22nd Century Technologies Anil Sharma, and Pandit Devender Shukla from Hindu Samaj Temple, Parsippany, as well as many other community leaders and prominent business figures from across New Jersey.
मेरी बनी रही जी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा मेरे बदल गए हालात गुरुजी शुक्र करा मेरी बन गई बिगड़ी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा मेरी बन गई बिगड़ी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा
Long Bhajan jamming extravaganza featuring 15-star singers and musicians selected through a tri-state talent hunt by Cultivate Talents Unlimited. The audience, ranging in age from 15 to 75, danced, sang along, and immersed themselves in devotion throughout the evening. The night coincided with Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, making the celebration even more meaningful for the Indian American community.
Hi, my name is Tarun Kumar Sharma and I am the co-founder of Cultivate Talents Unlimited LLC. So today we are organizing one event which is Bhajan Clubbing Night, and this is the first event happening in New Jersey, first time ever. And we are overwhelmed with the kind of response that we have got from the community. So many people are here, sitting here, enjoying it. And right now we are in the break section, interval section. People are here for just enjoying the interval section, and after that the second part of the fun starts, wherein we are going to have a new segment wherein they are the real singers, the American singers here who are actually going to perform on Hanuman Chalisa, Om Namah Shivaya, and they are going to create a vibe on that. So thank everybody who has come here and contributed their time in the success of this event. Thank you very much.
Namaste, my name is Jyotsna Sharma and I'm the co-founder of Cultivate Talents Unlimited. Women-based minority organization based out of New Jersey, and we have taken the lead, first time ever in the history of the United States and in the history of New Jersey, to have started the Bhajan clubbing night here in New Jersey, right now here at the Royal Albert Palace in New Jersey. Bhajan clubbing night has been taking a lot of great attention from the Gen Z in Indian metros, and we thought of bringing it here, and it was my dream to do something meaningful in terms of spreading positivity, peace through spirituality spirituality and music and the devotion, and that's where we are here. It is such a wonderful feeling to have hundreds, more than 500 people showing up. Hall is full. They were full in energy, entertained by our own team, Cultivate Talents, the talented stars, the talent hunt that we did to find the talent from the tri-state. These are the singers who were chosen from the tri-state. They have not come from anywhere else. And our team of Cultivate Talents has done an amazing job tonight. The entire crowd was swaying to the beautiful bhajan, musical, devotional music. And here we are just in the first part. The next session is where we'll have Mr. Kevin and Pandit Krishnadas Sharma of New Jersey to perform live on their live musical instruments. With a team of our Cultivate Talents, 15 live musicians and live singers and musicians, we have just done a great work and have created a history out here in America. And we are very, very eagerly waiting to have Kevin and Krishna Sharma ji's performance, because they have another level of performance, all American, and you'll be amazed to see when they do Hanuman Chalisa chanting on their own harmonium, mridangam and dhol. So hang in there, and more to you, more for the visuals. And I wish everyone a very happy Pravasi Bharatiya Divas as we are celebrating Pravasi Bharatiya Divas tonight. And in addition to this, I also want to thank our sponsors, Suhag Jewelers, and of course our partner, World Peace and Health Foundation, who held our hand to walk through together with us, Mr. Pramod Bhagat and Mrs. Neeraj Bhagat, who were together in this journey to make this event successful. So we are all humbled and honored to have seen a great community support to bring this program to fruition. And not just that, everyone who came as a member of the team, everyone came on their own. There was more of a motive to be defined in terms of spirituality and devotion, and everybody walked up to me, volunteered to say, Jyotsna, I want to participate, I want to be here. And me and Tarun, my better half, my best half, has supported me throughout in this journey. If he was not there in this support, we would not have been able to do what we did today. It is a total miracle, happened in New Jersey for the first time in the history of America, that we are doing a bhajan clubbing night. And I wish everyone a very, very happy Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Hail to Mother India, hail to Bharatvarsh, Jai Shri Ram.
Well, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned.